Good morning, guys. I am Shay and I'm here for my midweek video for you guys. I'm here at Walmart. For my midweek, I only need 10 rebates for $1. It's not the greatest, and I'm okay with it because I wasn't even gonna do it, to be honest, but the deals that we've been doing at CVS have been so awesome that it makes it almost impossible not to like do it like with your like eyes closed, hands tied behind your back type of do it. Yeah, like that. But super easy to do. So I only need like a few rebates. I think I only need like 3 or 4 left, probably 2 even. And so what I think I'm gonna do is do a separate transaction so that way I can submit that receipt tomorrow for the weekend, so that way it'll count towards something and not just go into like, I don't know, like the Matrix or like the cloud. So it'll count towards something. So that's kind of the goal as far as that. Other than that, one thing I wanted to mention was coupons.com, because a lot of you guys have been asking me about coupons.com, and I hadn't been having any issues with the app, you guys, at all. I used it 2 days ago and it was fine, and then the next day I was getting this this pop-up, this error message, and so I figured maybe it was maintenance. I don't know, and so I waited till the next day, and it was still there, so I put a ticket in. So I'm still waiting to hear back, so I'll let you guys know what the outcome of that is, because I don't want to have to get another account. I really don't feel like I need one, because I do have Shopmium, Alexa, and I have the same rebates on my Tada as well, so I don't necessarily need one. So so there's that. And a lot of you guys have been asking me about getting a new coupons.com account. You have to have a new email address and a new phone number. I have used the same PayPal. I got like a gazillion different email addresses linked to it, so I just switch the email addresses and make sure that that email address is linked to my PayPal, and I usually don't have a problem. But other than that, you guys, I wanted to keep this really brief and really short, so we're gonna head over into Walmart and see what kind of deals we can grab this week. So if you want to see what your girl got, keep on watching.
All right, guys, so this first deal that we're gonna do is on the Bertali d'Italia. This deal I got from Bree the Coupon Queen. So we're gonna grab 2 of these. They're priced at $3.87. We're gonna end up paying $7.74 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back $8.05 for each one on checkout 51. We're also gonna be getting back $5 for buying 2 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada, which is then gonna bring your total down to only 64 cents. For both of them are only 32 cents each, which is a steal. So this next deal is gonna be on the High Key sandwich cookies. These are priced at $5.23, so it's not a complete freebie on Ibotta. Ibotta, they need to get the inflation prices together. Like the inflation team, you're losing. Like, you're really losing. You're only gonna get back $4.98 on Ibotta, so it's a net cost of 25 cents, which is still not bad. Now look for pillies. They sometimes will have pillies on these for $1. I didn't find any, but yeah, keep your eyes peeled for those. Like, get it? Like, keep your eyes peeled for the pillies. Yeah, some of you get it, some of you don't. All right, next up is gonna be on the Too Good yogurts. These are priced at $1.28, and for this, we're gonna be getting back, we're grabbing 2 of them, and we're gonna be getting back 60 cents for each on Ibotta. There's also $1 back when you buy 2 on Alexa as well, which is gonna bring these down to only, how much? 18 cents each. All right, so next up is the Coffee Mate plant-based creamers. They are priced at $4.26. I tried these, you guys, the last couple days, and I actually really like it. And it's stuff I gotta buy anyway, so I might as well get a really good deal on it. And so we're gonna grab 1 of them. We'll be getting back to the list on Ibotta. Now there's also a bonus of buying 2 of 25 cents. If you haven't did that yet, I did that last time. And then we also have $1.25 back on coupons.com, Alexa, or Shopmium. So it'll bring it down to $1.01 each, which is definitely not bad. So this next deal is going to be on the Glad Trash bags. They are priced at $5.92. I did get this deal from Couponing. I want to say it's Couponing with Nicole on Instagram. If you're not following her, follow her, you guys. She posts a lot of breakdowns for different stores. So for this, we're gonna grab 2 of them. We're gonna end up paying $11.84 out of pocket, but we'll get back $7 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada. There's also $1.50 on coupons.com, Alexa, or Shopmium, which will bring these down to $1.67 each, which is definitely not bad if you need trash bags. Right, guys, so the next deal is gonna be on the Mega Red. It is priced at $10.37. I think it used to be 9 something, right? Anyways, we're gonna grab one. We'll be getting back $5 on Ibotta for buying one, and we're also gonna get back $5 on the coupons.com Alexa or Shop Ma'am. On Ibotta, there's also a 10-cent any vitamin rebate as well, so to bring that down to only 27 cents. Next couple deals I'm going to grab are going to be on the Poise. We're grabbing the Poise 30 count, which is priced at $5.97. We're going to get back $3 on Ibotta. We also have 900 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.60, and then $1 on coupons.com, making that $1.63 moneymaker. We're also grabbing the Poise 20 count as well, also priced at $5.97. You're going to be getting back $2 on Ibotta, 875 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.50, $1 on Shop Me, I'm making that at 53 cents. The next thing that we're going to grab is the U by Kotex. It's the 50 count priced at $2.97. I'm really honestly surprised that these haven't gone up in price yet. But they're priced at $2.97. We're going to grab one. This is working for two different rebates on Ibotta. One is for $2 and one is for $1.50, making it a 53-cent moneymaker. Next up is going to be the Suave. It's the Suave Professionals, the Lush and Coily brand. There are rebates on Shopkick for all for the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. They're priced at $5.23. So for this, I don't know, that lady has been yelling for her kid. Like, don't they teach you when you like in elementary, like using your inside voice? And she's been just yelling. Just yelling. Just yelling. It's like, what the hell? Like, what the hell? Anyways. If your kid is close enough to you, you can use inside voices. You don't be down to yell. Anyways. That's what I get for coming late. Anyways, listen, so this is the items that we're going to be grabbing. As far as the rebates, we're going to be getting back $1,000 for this one here on Shopkick. We're getting back $1,000 for the shampoo and 800 kicks for the conditioner. So $4, $4, and $3.60. So at the end of the day, it's going to make it how much? It's going to make two of them a 27-cent moneymaker and one of them a cost of 53 cents. So basically the two that are making us money is paying for the one that's costing us. So they're all gonna be free, so you might as well just grab them. Next up is gonna be the band deodorant. It's on the stick, which is priced at $2.67. So we're gonna grab one of them. We'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $1 back on coupons.com Alexa or Shop Ma'am, which will then make this how much? It'll make this a 33-cent moneymaker. Right, the next that we're gonna be grabbing is gonna be the Dove Advanced Deodorants. They're priced at $6.27. We're gonna grab one of these. We'll be getting back $2 on Ibotta. We're also going to submit on Shopkick for 550 kicks, which is $2.20. And then we'll get back $2 on coupons.com Alexa or Shop Ma'am, making this only 27 cents. Alright, so my next deal is going to be on the Dove hand soap. It's priced at $4.17. You can also grab the foams, which are priced at $3.97. So we're going to grab one of these. We'll be using the $1.50 printable right here. There's also $1 coupons from our inserts. And that's going to bring our total down to you paying $2.67, but you'll get back $1 on Ibotta. Also getting back 250 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1, bringing that down to only 67 cents. Next up is the Dove body polishes. They're priced at $7.32, and for this we're going to grab one and get back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 400 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.60, and then we'll get back $3 on coupons.com Alexa or Shop Ma'am, bringing this down to only 72 cents. Then we have the Bic Easy Rinse razor. Now this is only on the 2 count. They're priced at they were priced at $6.92. Now they're priced at $7.27. You're going to grab one of them and get back $5 on Ibotta. You're also going to submit for $2 on coupons.com Alexa or Shop Ma'am, bringing that down to 27 cents. Okay, and there's the same exact deal on the women as well, on the 2 count. Again, priced at $7.27, getting back $5 on Ibotta, and then again $2 on coupons.com Alexa or Shop Ma'am. Again, we'll make that at only 27 cents. Alright, the last thing I'm going to grab over here is going to be on the Dollar Shave Club Shave Gel. Our cream, it's priced at $5.97 for the gel. We're going to grab one, get back $3.50 on Ibotta. We're also going to submit for $3.50 on coupons.com Alexa or Shop Ma'am, making us a $1.03 moneymaker. Alright guys, so this is our complete little mini itty bitty haul for today. I didn't include everything because I need to submit that receipt tomorrow.
So it can count towards my Weekend Warrior bonus. That's why you don't see everything that I got today. So for this haul, I only had the one coupon on the Swab. That was $1.50 coupon. It did not scan for me, you guys. It had to be manually entered, which it was. And so everything you see here retails $68.85. Again, we had $4.50 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $64.35. And then we got back $24.48 from Ibotta. We got back 10 from Swagbucks for the pasta sauce, and that did go into review. Shopkick was $18.70, ShopMium was $3, Alexa was $3, and Checkout 51 was $4.20. So yes, we got back a total of $63.38. So it nets everything you see here at 97 cents, or 7 cents each. Now our sales tax for this was $3.73. So after our tax, it's a net cost of $4.70 or 36 cents each, which is still not bad. Other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing date night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you next one. Bye, guys.